Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Get the Marvel. I'm GTM, and today, we're diving into the magical world of Java's primitive data types. Whether you're new to coding or just need a quick refresher, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Java, as many of you know, is a powerful and versatile programming language. But before we build anything complex, we need to understand the building blocks. That's where primitive data types come in. There are 8 of them, and they are the simplest forms of data in Java. Think of them as the atoms in the molecule of Java programming. Let's start with integers. We have 4 types here: byte, short, int, and long. Byte, it's the smallest, occupying just 1 byte of memory. It can store values from -128 to 127. Handy for saving memory in large arrays, where the memory savings actually matter. Short, this one's slightly bigger, using 2 bytes. It ranges from -32,768 to 32,767. Not as commonly used, but it's there when you need it. Int, the go-to integer type. It uses 4 bytes and ranges from -2,147,483,648 to 2,147,483,647. Perfect for most numerical operations. Long, for those really big numbers, long uses 8 bytes. It can handle values from -9,223,372,336,854,775,808 to 9,223,372,336,854,775,807. Use it for those Bill Gates net worth calculations. Next up, we have the floating point numbers, float and double. Float, it's a single precision 32-bit floating point. It's great for saving memory in large arrays of floating point numbers. You'll often see it used in graphics and games. Double, the double precision 64-bit floating point. This is the default for decimal values and is used extensively in scientific calculations and situations requiring precision. Now, onto the more unique ones. Boolean, this one's pretty straightforward. It can only hold true or false. Perfect for flags and conditions. Char, used to store a single character. It uses 2 bytes because Java uses Unicode to represent characters, allowing for international character sets. So, there you have it, the 8 primitive data types in Java. They may be simple, but they form the foundation of all Java programs. Understanding these is key to becoming a Java pro. And remember, in Java, everything starts with these basics, whether you're building a simple calculator app or the next big social media platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Get the Marvel for more programming tips and tutorials, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm GTM, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!